In today's video, we are doing a Camaro, and I've got the stripe kit right here. Check it out. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, got that main piece on. Now I gotta do the side accent stripes right here. Yeah, it's a lot of little pieces. Boom, got it done. Check it out. Yeah, I got one little bubble right there. It's alright, it'll come out. Alright, now that the front's done, I just got to do this back. It goes right here and right here. So yeah, stick around. I'm gonna show you this back piece and hopefully you learn something. It's kind of an odd color combo, but it's looking good so far. Chevy gives you a bunch of options for the trunk. So this is all spoiler and rear decklid pieces. We're gonna be using this one. So it's got the cutout for the light right there, and because the spoiler is already on and they glued it down already, they give you schematics. Anyways, I'll show you how to do it. Alright, check this out. There's a lot of options here. So we got trim for bod spoiler, RS, stanchion, and blade. To be honest, I don't know which line to cut on. Alright, this one's getting a little complicated. The guides don't really help me the way they're supposed to. Anyways, yeah. They're made for when you do this before you put the spoiler on. But since the spoiler's on, there's nothing I can do. I have to make my own template. So check it out. Anyways, that's a wrap, and it's time to clean up. It's definitely a unique color. Man, it's hot out there. Summer is officially here. Alright, I finished up that Camaro. As you can see, it wasn't as straightforward as I thought it was going to be. But nonetheless, it was still pretty easy. Yeah, so I just had to cut that trunk piece, make my own type of template. I almost cut it too short. Good thing last minute when I did go to cut, I gave myself an extra 1/8 inch. If I didn't do that, I would have been really screwed. Tip of the day, when you go to cut, just give yourself a little bit extra, just in case. Yeah, so anyways, it's 1 o'clock. I'm really hungry, and I got one more job today. It's so hot, man. It's so hot. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're not already, and hit that like button. It helps me out. I really appreciate it, and hope you learned something. And like I said earlier, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to see some more. Yeah, thanks. See ya.